Alright guys, so another day to ride, so I'm just gonna film using my phone, not the GoPro for a change. I'm not gonna film my ride, just using this phone. Anyway, so I was thinking of trading this bike. It's a 2023 Ducati Hypermotard 950 SP. Got all the suspension and everything. It's the top of the line of the Hypermotards. Anyway, so I'm thinking of trading this for a 2024 Ducati Panigale V4S, because the 2025s, they change everything, so I don't like the design. So for sure you're not gonna find anything like the single swing arm Panigale V4S no more. So I was thinking of trading this one for that one. Anyway, so I'm gonna meet up Sultan at Starbucks and Patrick. I'm gonna go over there right now because I just wanna drink coffee before they come. We're gonna meet up at 12:30. So all right, so it's already 12:15, I believe. So I'm just gonna go head there. No more GoPro today. Sun is not showing up, guys. Look at that. All right, guys. So we're here at ANS Power Sports already with Sultan. Yeah, baby. The farthest ride he ever had using the Can-Am. And this is Patrick. Right there, monster. This is the Hypermotard SP. And we're here at ANS Power Sports, guys. We made it safe, guys. So of course we're having coffee right now. It's free. And there's some peanuts and some crackers here. So, hi, Randy. And this is Sultan and Patrick checking out the GS. Woohoo! Pare, yan ang F900, oh. Ang ganda ng F900, pare. Ito, you don't like that F900 off-road tires? Oh, pare. Oh, there's an XR F900. Ay, putang ganda ng kulay nun, ah. Ganda ng kulay. I saw that in at Modesto BMW. And this is Patrick's bike right here. The triple back collar. There's a lot of S1000 double R's. And the M's right here. Still here, not sold. Come on, guys. Buy it. ANS Power Sports, guys, here in Roseville. Huh? Oh, shit. He's thinking about it. Pare, put the coffee on the floor and then sit on it, pare. Look at the color of this. Beast.
875 lang, pre.
875,000? Oh, shoot. Wala pang wala pang 1 million na. Dito magkano, pare?
Sakto lang, 10 or 10K.
Pare, magkano yan? Pare, bagay sa'yo, Brad, ah. 27. Pareho rin. Picture lang kita, amen? Dali, picture lang kita. So this is the V4S we're looking at, and this is corner right there. So yeah, what do you think, guys? V4S 2023. So this is the model, the last single swing arm, huh?
Yep.
When is the double swing arm gonna come out?
We're hoping kind of early next year.
Next year. Okay.
Don't have an exact date yet.
Because everybody was pre-ordering that bike.
We've had a few pre-orders already.
Yeah. Pare, can you sit on it, pare? Ooh, look at Sultan. He's buying it cash. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. Lay made it here at ANS Power Sports Roseville. Sultan over there. And this is Patrick. Patrick, let's see how many miles is this bike. Please be low, please be low. 12 miles, guys. 12 miles. Damn, 12 miles, guys. What do you think, guys?
Bye.
Take it on?
Ikikip niya rin yung Bakit mo na lang kaya, bababaan.
Right there, testing the GS 750. Woo! Bilisan mo ng konti para ma-enjoy mo.
Sarap eh.
Siyempre, GS yan eh.
Baba. Mas mababa yan kasi ito eh.
Alright guys, it is official. It's sold.
Ang laki no.
Woo-wee. Damn, I can't believe I have a V4S Panigale. Wow, look at that. And he's gonna start it for me. Shee-wee. He's gonna fire it. Sabay tunog scooter, no? Alright guys, this is it. So I didn't sign the contract yet, so I still have the chance to get out of here. Damn, it's raining. I just bought this bike, man. Fresh from the dealership. How do you wash this? Fucking wet, man.
Like a 5 o'clock.
Ah, fucking rain, man. Wrong timing. Son of a bitch. Fuck. All right, Eric, let's eat. Guys, so we're gonna ended up eating here instead of Jollibee. Eating at Seafood City, Filipino food with Eric. And fucking raining, bro. Brand new bike, soaked wet. So we're gonna choose the food here, guys. Here at Seafood City again, and I ordered liempo and chicken right there, and palabok, guys. I didn't know this a lot, damn it. It's okay. If I don't finish it, I'll just leave it here. All right, show me what you have, Eric. Palabok is good. Show me what you have. There's my buddy.
We
Eric.
have
I heard
some
lumpia.
white
What was
rice.
lumpia's right there? And
lumpia,
and chicken barbecue
and then
or
we got
pork.
chicken on a stick, one chicken, one pork.
There you
chicken on a
go.
stick.
Eric can eat.
There we go.
Look at the helmets, man. Wet. Damn weather, man. Look at this. Now it's very sunny and hot. Look at that. Fuck, now I gotta clean this bike. Yeah. You gotta check if I have a cloth?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So she's home, sweet home with M1000RR here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.